Big up to everyone. Tomorrow is the big match. Tomorrow is the Jollof Derby, and this is my starting lineup. If I am Coach Otto Addo, this will be my starting lineup tomorrow against Nigeria. And I know all of the 26-man squad that remain there are, are very good players. Everybody can start the game, but hey, guys, this will be my starting lineup tomorrow if I am Coach Otto Addo. And no Ghanaian should write Black Stars off. We are capable. We can beat Nigeria in Abuja in very simple. You see, Nigeria was saying that, well, how come Ghana have to beat Nigeria? The African Cup of Nations, we did so bad. And then team that Comoros beat, how they have to allow themselves for Ghana to beat them. We also have a reason to go all in confident and also say that this is what Ghana Black Stars players have to motivate themselves as well. There is no one have to motivate them. They have to motivate themselves. Let's say for me being here, if I want something, I want to go out there to make it happen. I don't need someone to come and motivate me before I can succeed what I want. So I think for the Black Stars players, qualifying to the World Cup is huge to them. So they don't even need anybody to motivate them. You know, that is my message to Black Star players. They need to motivate themselves and also say, if Nigerians are basing in saying, well, Comoros beat us, so they cannot allow themselves a team that Comoros beat to beat them. We also have a true reason clearly that to motivate ourselves that if Central Republic able to go there and beat them on their own side, what about Ghana? We can do that over and over. Sierra Leone went there. Sierra Leone was down by 4 goals. Sierra Leone was there when they was down by 4 goals, and they came up equalize all these 4 goals. And when you compare to Sierra Leone football to Black Stars or Ghana football, not to disrespect the Sierra Leone team, but when you go to history, African Cup of Nations, World Cup, Ghana is ahead. So if Sierra Leone able down by 4 goals to equalize all these goals, I think why not? Ghana, we can beat Nigeria so simple. The guys have to get this mentality. They have to get this confidence. So anybody that will write Black Stars off, me and my team here, we are strongly believe that Ghana is capable beating Nigeria in their own side. And it will not be surprised for you seeing first goal, Ghana scoring first goal in Abuja. So guys, no Ghanaian should write the team off. We can beat Nigeria so simple. You know, Nigeria, they have players, we have the team. Okay, they have the players, we have the team. So guys, we need to motivate everyone as a Ghanaian that our guys, our big boys, they can do it. They can deliver. Okay, so guys, believe on the team. This is the time the team need us. You see, one thing I always say, we need to always motivate each other. Personally, when it comes to as a Ghanaians, sometime when the team is down, that is the time they need us the most. Imagine the team is down. Imagine the team are not performing and we are still behind them. They will also come on some set of way that, well, we don't want to fail Ghanaians. Even we are down, they are still behind us. This is what the players want from us. But when it comes to individual, I would say the players themselves, they know what it is to qualify for the World Cup. They know what it is. Thomas Partey today, no one need to motivate him. He can motivate himself. All kudos Mohammed Odoi. I'm not talking about Chelsea Odoi. I'm talking about our left and right back. All these players, they can motivate themselves. Fatau Isahako, Joseph Pencil, Alexander Juku, Daniel Amate, Gideon Mensah, Felix, all the players, they can motivate themselves. They are, you know, like I said, for me being here, if I want something, I don't need for someone to come to motivate me because I know how important I want to achieve that. So I will go all up to what I want. And I believe that tomorrow the guys will deal with Nigeria, and Nigeria they will sleep very early back in their own side. Trust me, I believe in Black Star players that they can make it happen. And no Ghanaians should write Black Stars off. Go for Ghana, go for Black Stars, go for the Jollof.